Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the legendary world of the Nissan GT-R, and this time, it's all about the 2026 R35. Nissan's iconic supercar slave has returned with refined aggression, subtle evolution, and the same heart-pounding performance that's kept it a fan favorite for over a decade. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 GT-R R35 still one of the most thrilling machines on the road. At first glance, the 2026 GT-R might look familiar, but don't be fooled. Nissan has fine-tuned the design, giving the car a more aerodynamic profile with new front and rear bumpers, a reshaped grille, and updated LED lighting. The tweaks are subtle, but they enhance airflow and downforce, making the GT-R even sharper on the track. The signature wide stance, quad taillights, and aggressive lines still scream performance, but with a touch more sophistication. The GT-R R35 still rocks the legendary 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, handcrafted by the skilled Takumi engine builders, and yes, it still pulls like a beast. With around 565 horsepower in the standard model and up to 600 in the Nismo version, this car launches like a missile, clocking 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The all-wheel drive system remains a masterpiece, delivering insane grip and control even in less than perfect conditions. One of the biggest talking points for the 2026 GT-R is how it blends old-school muscle with modern tech. The 6-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning quick, and while the gearbox hasn't changed much, the calibration has been tweaked for smoother shifts and better low-speed behavior. It's still a brute, but a bit more refined. Inside, the GT-R has finally started catching up to modern standards. Nissan has refreshed the cabin with higher quality materials, a new infotainment system, and more comfortable seating. It's not ultra-luxury, but it feels more premium than ever. Plus, it still has that focused, driver-first layout that GT-R fans love. This isn't a grand tourer, it's a weapon for the road and track. What's even more impressive is how the GT-R R35 keeps up with today's supercars. Despite its age, while other automakers have gone hybrid or fully electric, Nissan has doubled down on tuning and precision. This car is about raw performance, mechanical grip, and driver engagement. It may not be the future of performance, but it's a celebration of everything enthusiasts love about combustion-powered cars. As we move closer to an all-electric future, the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35 feels like a love letter to the golden age of performance. It's loud, fast, and unapologetically analog in a world going digital. Nissan has hinted that this might be one of the last chapters for the R35A, and if that's true, it's going out in style. Thanks for tuning in to Rolling Legends. If you're a fan of performance icons like the GT-R, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Catch you in the next one.